So now we're going to work on the copper cycle, and this is going to be reaction 3. I'm going to take the copper 2 hydroxide that we made in the last part of the demonstration, that's the glop in here, and I'm going to heat it. So this is a hot water bath, and I'm putting that in the heat. I'm not adding any more atoms or molecules. I'm giving them some energy. And the question is, well, what happens if they get some energy? So we're going to see if we can make any observations about that. So the question is, are we making any observations yet about the whitish blue glop that was the copper hydroxide, which is sitting in a solution which is blue? And I'm hoping we can start seeing some of this change here, because there's actually quite a... Let me get some white behind that so that we can see the substantial change. There, so there's a paper towel. That is not white, that is not blue, that has got this deep brown stuff. So now I'm going to actually stir that one up, and let's see what happens. We've got this. And like this test tube is full of all kinds of this black substance, and it is opaque. It is not, you can't see through it, and that implies that we have solid material there. So we have solid material there. And I'm going to pull it out of that hot water bath so we can see that a little bit better. Solid material there. So the question is, what is it? Let me put it back into the test tube rack, and I'll get rid of the hot bath in just a second. That new substance that we've got here, this brown substance, that's there now, is actually copper 2 oxide. So that's not copper 2 hydroxide anymore. This is copper 2 oxide. And I didn't add in any new ingredients, but something's changed here. Something is missing. It's not there. All the atoms are not accounted for. And there is a second product. And the second product is just water. So the CuOH2 kicks out 2 H's and an O, and we get this brown copper oxide plus some water. And we'll take a look at the balancing later. That's reaction 3.